Hey, Sydney. Are you the best walker now? Good job. You walk to me? Do you have a soccer ball? Oh, you want to go give it to Dad? Yeah, I can walk anywhere. You gonna give Dad the soccer ball? Yeah. Sydney, can you say bath? Good. Teeth. How about cheese? How about hat? Good. Hat. How about hot? You were saying hot before, I think. No? Okay.